Hey all, welcome back to another random pack a day on Pokemon, and let's get this wheel spinning to see what pack I'll be opening today. Ooh, Chilling Rain. That was almost celebrations. So what will I get today? One, up to come. Yep, code card there. Did I do that right? Let's see. Grass energy, fighting. Just quickly go through. Oop. So there is a Articuno. Strike, not. Where have the Chilling Rain? Have I run out of Chilling Rain sleeves? Looks like I have. No, I'll just use the Celebrations one as I have quite a few of them. So, Chilling Rain is this folder here. And it's just a standard art, which I already have there. And might as well put it on the with the legendaries. So Heatran, Professor Oak. So Oak, I'll just put down the side there. Palkia, legendary. It'll fill up too fast. Just double checking. The amazing rare Celebi mythical. It will go there for now. Just a sorting. And then put that Radiant there. And then technically Zamazenta. And I'm going to go with sub Articuno there is in the trainer gallery, so that's separate. So that's it done. Do I have a Chilling Rain? Here. Another Chilling Rain, which goes there. So thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another video.